How to fix Growtopia lag on Android. So this could be because of two main reasons, either your internet connection or your storage space. So most likely built up files, unused files and whatnot. So just make sure your internet connection is pretty much good or well connected in order to have that settled. And other is the storage system that we just mentioned. So you could go ahead into your settings and try clearing your storage. That way you'll have more space for Growtopia itself. You can go ahead and try clearing cache inside Growtopia as well. This could possibly help you. So just go ahead and search for your apps and then go search for Growtopia. So as so over here, go to the bottom right and then press on clear data and then clear cache. That should clear up some unused files, which again should give you more space for the app itself. And other than that, if you don't have the option to clear any more storage, you can try just disabling high quality textures or try using lower graphics in Growtopia itself. So you can go ahead over here to the graphic details, which is found in the options, and just go ahead and try putting it in the lowest set possible. But at this point, this is one of the only options you have to pretty much fix your Growtopia lag on Android, other than getting upgrades in your device itself. Of course, if it's not a network or internet problem. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.